Hi there, students. Waspish, an adjective. Waspishly, an adverb. Okay, if somebody is waspish, they are likely to make cruel remarks. They're likely to make sharp remarks that cut. He made some very waspish comments. Okay, they were really rather unpleasant. So he said that it looked like I had a horn coming out of my head. Well, yeah, you can see it, but I just can't get it to stay down. Each way I try it, it just ends up sticking up. Okay, so waspish. Um, Aggressive, sharp and cutting. Yeah, spiteful and bad-tempered. Let's see, you know what a wasp is. It's like a bee, yeah? But I'm sure you've been stung by a wasp and ow, it really hurts. If you're stung by a wasp, it's more painful than being stung by a bee. Okay, so waspish, easily irritated and annoyed. Um, he made a very waspish remark, yeah, indicating irritation, annoyance. He's a very waspish person, yeah, sharp, cutting, irritable, yeah, bad tempered. His tone was very waspish, yeah. He wasn't going to be very helpful to it. Yeah, he was a nasty young waspish man who didn't really want to get on with anybody. Yeah, so waspish, unpleasant. I guess you could also have a waspish neighbourhood. A WASP is an acronym, White Anglo-Saxon Protestant. So a waspish neighbourhood, a neighbourhood full of white Anglo-Saxon Protestants. Okay, so if somebody is waspish, they are trying to hurt. They're crabby. Yeah, they're acerbic. Yeah, they make cutting comments. Um, he uses his wit waspishly when he is irritated, when he's in a bad temper. Okay, so waspish, wanting to hurt, wanting to be unpleasant. Yeah, don't be so waspish. Yeah, just live and let live. Don't be such a waspish character. Yeah, it's not nice being so waspish. Okay, yeah, and the idea is that it's like being stung by a wasp. That's the idea and the origin of it. Okay, waspish. How formal is this? I think I would give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. It's good to describe somebody's aggressive remarks, waspish criticism, something like that. A very waspish character. Notice as well, you can. I was thinking about the phrase wasp waisted. So this is a piece of clothing or a person that has a very thin waist. If you look at the shape of a wasp, the waist almost goes to nothing, and that's the idea of a wasp waisted. Okay, so don't be so waspish. Don't be so unpleasant. Don't try to hurt people. And then as to the origin, well, it comes from the word a wasp, which comes from a Proto-Germanic word, wopso, meaning a wasp, and Proto-Indo-European, wobset, a wasp again. Okay, so if you want, you can make waspish comments about this video, or waspish comments about how my hair just won't go down, um, and it'll be all right. Yeah, I'm not going to take you as a bad-tempered person. Okay, so waspish, sharp, cutting, bad-tempered, particularly about comments or people's characters. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Waspish.